Hello everyone and welcome to the DCET questions revision series. We are solving the IT skills unit wise questions which are asked in the previous years or which are important for the DCET. Today we are going to discuss about the third unit, that is on business process automation and ERP. Compared to other units, this unit has lesser questions in the DCET examination, but still uh, one question definitely asked from this unit in terms of business process automation or ERP, or sometimes two questions may be asked. So it is always a good step to be prepared with this question, because these questions are simple to solve and nothing much to remember. It is just about how much you know about the concepts of BPA or ERP. Let us solve some of the questions. So first question is, what is the primary goal of business process automation? So whenever we have a business process automation, we will be having a primary goal for it, such as cost reduction, manual labor increase, process complexity, or data redundancy. So the correct option over here is the cost reduction, because the other options such as manual labor increase that we don't want to do, process complexity that we don't want to do, data redundancy we are not interested. Our job is to reduce the cost by using the business process automation. Next question, what is the which is the key benefit of a business process automation? So initial question was on primary goal. This question is benefit of a business process automation. So the benefit can be, what is the benefit? That is the question. Options are increased operational cost, enhanced inefficiency, improved productivity, higher manual errors. Whenever we want to how to get the answer of such questions, what you can do is, given the four options, try to find a positive one. Whatever option looks positive for you people, that will be mostly the correct option. Here, increased operational cost, it is a kind of negative thing. It is not a benefit. Enhanced inefficiency, again, it is not a benefit. Improved productivity. Yes, we want to improve the productivity through BPA. So option C is the correct answer. Higher manual errors, yes, that we don't want to do. So the correct option is option C. Next question. What does the BPA stand in the context of automation? Again, the name of the unit itself is a business process automation, and you should be able to remember it and don't get confused with the other option. The correct option over here is business process automation. BPA stands for business process automation. What is the advantage of a flat organized structure? So whenever we have different types of organization structures, such as hierarchical organization structure, flat organization structure, matrix organization structure, in that flat organization structure has the advantage of a quick communication. So in a flat organization structure, there will not be much hierarchy, or there will not be much complexity. So the advantage over here is a quick communication. Option B. Centralized decision making, no. There is not such feature available. Increased hierarchy levels, no. There is no hierarchy in flat organization structure. Slower response time, no. There is actually quick communication. So again, try to look for a positive option, such as the positive options are A and B. Among that, you should be knowing a concept of flat organization a little bit, so that you can answer the correct option is quick communication. Option B. Which type of organization structure is known for its clear chain of command? So we have different structures such as matrix, flat, hierarchical, and network. In that, the clear chain of command is mostly visible in the hierarchical structure, because you can, if you imagine the hierarchical structure, there will be CEO. Behind CEO there will be three general manager. Below the general manager we will be having assistant manager. in terms of assistant, under the assistant manager, we will be having team lead. Below the team lead, we will be having the employee. So there is some particular hierarchy. So here we will be having a clear chain of command. Like CEO will be telling to manager, manager will be telling to assistant manager will be telling to team lead will be guiding to employee. So such particular clear chain of command will be there. So that's why the hierarchical structure is known for clear chain of command. What is the main purpose of the functional units within an organization? So whenever we have a functional units in the terms of like what we can say, uh, a department. Why we will be creating departments? That is the question over here. Encouraging communication, division of labor, increasing hierarchy, reducing specialization. So here the correct option is division of labor. Means dividing the work among different functional units or different departments. Like HR department will look into the human resource or hiring procedure. Financial department will look into the financial work. The communication department will look into the communication aspects. Technical department will look into technical aspects. So such division of labor can be done with the help of creating functional units. So that's why functional units are very much needed in an organization. So the correct option is division of labor. Encouraging communication, that is not the goal. Increasing hierarchy, we don't want to increase we don't want to increase hierarchy. Reducing specialization, no, we want to increase the specialization. What is a workflow in a business context? So workflow is nothing but a sequence of process, whatever we have, such as after this process, this should be next process. After that, like software development life cycle. First, requirement gathering, designing, planning, coding, testing, maintenance. So such sequence of process whenever we have, it is called as a workflow. And it is also same in terms of a business context as well as software context. That is sequence of process always indicate a workflow. So correct answer is option B, sequence of processes. Other options such as water cooler conversion, not related to business. Employee salaries, not related. Random decision making, again not related. So the correct option is sequence of process. So these, like, you can eliminate the options such as water cooler, which is not at all related to business. So such options you can eliminate and you can try to find the correct option. Which component of a workflow defines the order of a task? So whenever we have a order of a task, which is the component that is responsible for that? Like trigger, task, sequence, condition. Order of task will always be uh, defined with the help of a sequence. Sequence means order, a particular order. Like after this task, this should be the task. So that kind of order is done with the help of a sequence, not any other option such as condition or anything. So correct uh, order over here, correct sequence is defines the workflow order or the order of tasks. So the correct option is